In the southern part of northwestern Italy, in Piedmont, there is a small natural park full of beauty. Today we are going to take a little walk, but first, watch folks, I'm Lawrence and my aim is to show you many places around the world from my partial human perspective. Before I start, help me to grow this project, snap me a like and subscribe. Back to us. It was 7 in the morning on a hot August day and I was in San Giacomo di Entracque near Cuneo. That day I dreamed of reaching the beautiful Soria Ellena Refuge lost in the Maritime Natural Park. So, as soon as I arrived, I had no time to waste and immediately set off into the dark forest. The vibe was still dark, and I would not have been surprised to see an old witch with an arched nose emerging from the woods in search of mushrooms or strange herbs or toads. Fortunately, I did not find it, but I found a very nice river with a waterfall. After a 20-minute walk following the river, having escaped the wicked witch, I crossed the wide valley to reach first a small farm with goats, 2 horses looking at me scornfully and a dog, and then a larger square known as the Cannon Square. During this whole walk I was completely alone. There was not a soul walking with me. It was so relaxing to breathe in the fresh, clean mountain air, listening to the sound of the river. After an hour, however, I began to meet first this brave and fearless caterpillar and then a lot of humans, one of whom was particularly sociable and, after spotting a strange bird, stopped to tell me the story of the bearded vulture, actually the bird we had spotted from a distance. But humans are not good at observing, and shortly after he had left, I met a new friend. The wind was blowing hard, but not enough to stop my legendary pace, so after crossing a small plateau where the clear young waters of the river flowed and faced the last steep climb, I reached the last part of the trek, which consisted of crossing a real plateau carved out in the middle by the strong waters of the flooded river of 2021, and reaching our destination. Soria Ellena Hut is named after 2 talented mountaineers, Edoardo Soria and Gianni Ellena, who were very active in the mountains of the Gesso Valley from the late 1920s to the 1940s, and is an excellent base for numerous hikes and treks in this corner of the Maritime Alps. It has been restored in recent years and you can see the previous version of this hut in the video I published in 2018, shooted with my old nice Sony compact camera. It has this Tibet vibe that is really cool and the choice of dishes is always delicious. This hike is really easy and suitable for everyone, and for this reason I advise against doing it in the 2 weeks in the middle of August. In any case, my time was running out. I slowly made my way towards the base, and as I descended I was seized by a flash of realization, which was: that sometimes in life you will be the only ones observing, and only then will you see a groundhog.